Do you need more final expense leads, bonus selling insurance while you sleep? Do you need more interview and appointments per week? I was averaging 15 to 17 interviews per week. The agency I was working with just couldn't generate enough leads for all the agents in the office. Thanks to a top agent in the office, he was retiring, and he introduced me to his $500 day niche widow lead system and software. I used his system for almost 25 years until I semi-retired from the insurance business. I specialized in selling final expense insurance to widows, and also sold annuities using the following phrase after pitching the final expense plan. "Oh, by the way, Helen, where are you investing your money?" They would say mostly in the savings account. Some had CDs, and if they had at least 50K, I would say I have a tax-deferred plan that pays 4%. Some widows had a lot of money that could be moved. You have to remember they usually trusted me after my final expense interview. If you need addition appointments, check it out at How to Double Your Interviews Without Killing Yourself. Check it out at https://www.finalexpensemillionaire.com. Special bonus: how to sell insurance while you sleep. Go to https://www.success45.com.